Hey everyone, I'm Ben Lightpalm of Summit Prototyping and Design LLC here in Boulder, Colorado. This is our very first video of our upcoming weekly video series that'll be all about DIY gear. We're going to be teaching you guys how to make your own gear, give you lessons on sewing techniques, fabric reviews, and hardware reviews. And for our very first video this week, we're going to do a quick hardware review of a buckle that we picked up for the Kona Backpacks. So the buckle I want to show you guys is the Fidlock Slide buckle. We've been using it here at Summit a lot recently for the Kona Backpacks. We'll be launching a Kickstarter in the coming weeks, and I'll have the link in the video description below. The Fidlock Slide is a really unique magnetic buckle. It pulls apart with a slide and closes with a clasp of a magnet. The magnet, as you can see, is really strong. You can close it from a bunch of different directions, and then mechanically it keeps itself tight so you can't pull it apart. This is a really unique buckle. The metallic finish is beautiful. You can even get your branding put right on the front if you want. It's a great buckle, great for a roll top closure on a backpack, and would recommend for anyone looking for something really unique to close their backpack and draw some attention. Thanks again for tuning in. Come back next week. We're going to have more videos like this every single week, even some more DIY ones coming up. Check our YouTube channel, our social media pages, or the blog on our website for these videos. Thanks.